हेलो एंड वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ मुंबई से मैनचेस्टर। मैं हूं सौरभ, मेरे साथ है निखिल। आज हम लोग रिव्यू करने वाले हैं मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड 4 इस्तांबुल बेसिकशहीर 1। सो लेट्स गेट स्ट्रेट इनटू इट। निखिल, थॉट्स अबाउट द गेम?
It was a game of two halves, if I have to say that. पहले हाफ में मतलब हम बहुत ही तोड़ू खेले ऐसे लगा. फुल शैकल्स ऑफ, मतलब मिडफील्ड ऐसे सेट नहीं, मतलब ऐसे नहीं लग रहा था. एवरीवन वाज ट्राइंग टू गेट द बॉल अहेड, प्ले इट फॉरवर्ड. फुल फ्लूइडिटी था. सौरभ, यू मेंशन दैट वन चांस व्हिच वाज अ ब्यूटीफुल गोल बट गिवन ऑफसाइड. वो तो एक अलग ही मतलब, like people who have not seen it should actually check it out. But first half में मतलब जितना अटैक हो सके उतना अटैक किया. 3 गोल्स हमने स्कोर कर लिए थे. We went into half time. सेकेंड हाफ में आई थिंक मेंटली में भी थोड़े रिलैक्स हो गए हम लोग. और ऑब्वियसली चेंजेस भी गए, हमने मेजर चेंजेस किए. ब्रूनो वगैरह निकल गया. सो बट या उसमें इस्तांबुल ने थोड़ा कैपिटलाइज किया. बट या टेक्निकली गेम ऑफ टू हाफ्स. व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
या फर्स्ट हाफ बहुत ही अच्छा था. वी कुड हैव स्कोर्ड 4 5 6 गोल्स. The offside goal was also my favorite moment of the game. बहुत ही अच्छा phase of play, and we were good with the ball. Lots of running, one-touch football. अपने creative players were um, on top form, so बहुत अच्छा था. Second half में it got a little sluggish, maybe because तब तक we had killed off the game.
Right.
With the 3 goals. Good to see Dan James getting on the score sheet. And I think 4-1 was a fair reflection of how the game went.
Right.
De Gea should have kept the free kick out. I think clean sheet would have been good for us.
Yeah.
But ठीक है, I'll take a 4-1.
And we wanted to win this game, so that's a good thing. But I think as United, we should not really like we shouldn't take our foot off the pedal, because Leipzig और PSG दोनों 6 पॉइंट पे है. एंड दोनों 2 गेम्स खेलने वाले हैं, उसमें से एक इस्तांबुल बसक्शहीर रहने वाला है, and one would be against us. So but good 3 points.
We basically at least need 1 point from the next 2 games. अगर हम लोग दोनों के अगेंस्ट भी एक भी पॉइंट लेते हैं, अपना गोल डिफरेंस काफी अच्छा है. We will go through. मुझे लग रहा है लाइप्जिग के अगेंस्ट we shouldn't keep it until that point, because वो last game है. We shouldn't wait that long. If we can, even if it's a dull draw against Paris, I'll take that.
Right. Unfortunate part है कि Lindelof इंजर होके निकल गया, and we might get into it later. But Tuanzebe came and he took a yellow card, तो अभी वो अगला गेम नहीं खेल पाएगा. So वो थोड़ा डाइसी रहेगा PSG के अगेंस्ट. But let's see.
All right. So let's talk about the starting lineup very briefly. हम लोग ने जो प्रेडिक्ट किया था उससे 3 चेंजेस थे. हेंडरसन के जगह पे डेहेया खेला, which we thought कि वो हो सकता है. McTominay के जगह पे ब्रूनो खेला. So we got to see Bruno and Van de Beek play in the same starting lineup again, and they were delicious. And right hand side पे Greenwood के जगह पे Rashford खेला. When I looked at the starting lineup, I was licking my lips. मैंने Twitter में भी डाला. We expect this to be goals galore. मैं 3 4 5 गोल एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था, and we turned up with 4 goals, which is very satisfying. Overall, Nikhil, how would you rate our defense, midfield, attack?
पहले तो मैं अटैक से शुरू करूंगा. अटैक वाज फैबुलस. मतलब राइट फ्रॉम रैशफोर्ड, मार्शल, ब्रूनो जो मैन ऑफ द मैच मेरे लिए तो है. एंड मार्शल आई ऑलरेडी मेंशन. मिडफील्ड में आई थिंक ब्रूनो और फ्रेड जो खेल रहे थे, एज आई सेड, लाइक फर्स्ट हाफ में दे वर लिटरली लाइक विद शैकल्स ऑफ. तो वो ऐसे नहीं सोच रहे थे कि इंटरसेप्शन करना है एंड वी नीड टू बी लाइक टाइट एंड ट्राई टू मार्क दीज पीपल, the opponents. वो बिंदास जब चांस मिल रहा था, they were playing the ball ahead. So for that I'll rate them pretty good. But हाँ, had it been a much clinical team, थोड़ा वो risky रह सकता था. Like if imagine playing against PSG, I think score line अलग रहता, हम ज़्यादा concede कर सकते थे. But for this game I'll still rate them pretty good, the midfield. डिफेंस आई थिंक वी डिड फेयरली वेल, पर थोड़ा मुझे मगवायर का आज लगा कि थोड़ा ऑफ था, मतलब ही वाज समटाइम्स इनडिसाइसिव जो केसेस मैंने देखे, but still overall not bad. Like I would say good enough. They definitely need to step up for the PSG game now.
Same, I think attack में Cavani, Martial, Rashford, Bruno, all of them were very, very good. I think Cavani in his first start did really well. The way he was receiving the ball, one touch layoff kar raha tha. He was bringing the team into the game. Brilliant play by Cavani. Just it's sad that he's come in to the club at such an age. I don't think he can start every game or at least play 90 minutes in every game. So he will be a rotational player. Rashford on the right brings me hope. जो right wing में hole दिखता है. If Rashford can consistently play well or at least be an option for selection on the right hand side, at least until we get into January, until the summer window, we can manage with Greenwood, Rashford, Martial, Cavani, with cameos from James and Mata. I really want to see these four players play most of or the bulk of the minutes and not rely on Mata and James. Bruno was absolutely fantastic. Har ek creative intent, not just the completed passes, not just the assists, just the intent of going forward every time he got the ball was outstanding. The goal that we scored was very much Scholes'. Second goal was like predatory instinct, and the way I'm not sure if he gave the penalty to Rashford, but he could have had a hat trick with a penalty, but Rashford put it away coolly. So no complaints with the attack.
Everton game में भी दिया था ना, Martial को दे दिया था. So I think he did more of a gesture. Like it was more of a gesture being a team player कि भाई अरे तुझे score करके confidence मिलेगा.
एवर्टन में क्या था?
Penalty मिली जो Martial ने ली ना, I think, if I'm not wrong.
Martial hasn't scored in the Premier League yet.
नहीं गया, किसको दिया
It
था?
might have been against Leipzig.
Okay. Yeah. बट फॉर्मेशन में एक बोलना चाहूंगा कि मैं जस्ट हु स्कोर्ड पे देख रहा था, हमारी एवरेज पोजीशन इवन दो पोजीशन वाज लाइक ऑलमोस्ट 50-50, 53 हमारे फेवर में था. हम लोग लिटरली ऐसे 3-2-5 जैसे खेल रहे थे. मतलब वान बिसाका ऑब्वियसली सिंस वो अटैक इतना ज्वाइन नहीं करता, हैरी मैग्वायर, वान बिसाका, लिंडलॉफ एट द बैक, मिडफील्ड में फ्रेड एंड मैकटोमिने जो इंडस्ट्रियसनेस दिखा रहे थे, एंड फ्रंट फाइव टेलेस लिटरली विंगर जैसे खेल रहा था फर्स्ट हाफ का.
Fred and Van de Beek.
Fred and Van de Beek.
Midfield was very good. I felt Fred was again covered every blade of grass, very energetic, was rushing their players every time they touched the ball. Van de Beek was again har baar ball mil raha tha. He was looking for those forward passes. I love the midfield combination. Defense was okay. I was impressed with Telles. Lindelof was probably our best defender क्योंकि center back position से penetrative passes दे रहा था directly into Cavani's feet, directly into Martial and Bruno, which was very interesting to see. Usually हम लोग we have to go through that midfield stop या full back से हम लोग connect करते हैं, but it was great to see Lindelof playing those aggressive forward passes. Unfortunately, I think either I'm hoping कि precautionary measure है उसको half time पे substitute करना, but it will be sad to lose him to injury the time he was really playing in his best form. But really good game. Positives बहुत थे, negatives भी थे. I think some of the goals that we scored are not goals that we can expect to score every game. Some of them were mistakes from the keeper. Some of them were wonder strikes. A penalty, which was a soft penalty. So, although we deserve to totally win this 4-1, but the nature of goals was not something that we can repeat every single game.
ये गोल में मुझे ये मैच में ऐसे लगा सौरभ कि सोल्जर और टीम ने ऐसे सोचा था कि भाई लास्ट गेम हारना नहीं चाहिए था और अभी जाके जरा ठोको इनको,
Yeah.
इसलिए वो फर्स्ट हाफ में जो हमने देखा कि भाई फुल्ली बिंदास खेलो, डोंट वरी, एंड दैट शोड इन द फर्स्ट हाफ, बट या आई कंप्लीटली एग्री विद यू,
Yeah. थोड़े
स्कीजर
थोड़े
टीम
नेगेटिव्स मतलब, हाँ थोड़े नेगेटिव्स मतलब टुअनजे पे येलो कार्ड लिया, ही इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी अवेलेबल फॉर द नेक्स्ट गेम अगेंस्ट PSG.
राइट.
Lindelof at halftime looked like he came out because of an injury. Wan-Bissaka जब भी substitute हुआ, he went straight down the tunnel, so maybe
राइट.
slight knock.
राइट.
ये negatives थे, and I felt कि अगर हम लोग 3-0 ही रहते थे and not 3-1 after 70-75 minutes, we could have seen a glimpse of Facundo Pellistri, जो bench पे था, warm up कर रहा था. But because we conceded a goal, because 3-1 हुआ था and they were still attacking, they hit the bar once. So, मतलब I think that's the only reason why we did not see Facundo. But
Right.
we will see him in the Carabao Cup games for 30 minutes taking.
Yeah. So Saurabh, if you have to choose 3-star players for this game, who would you choose?
Undoubtedly, Bruno was the man of the match. जितने भी minutes खेला, he was clearly head and shoulders above anyone else. Fred, I felt had a very, very good game. Interesting stat है कि in the last 10 games that Fred has started for United, we have won 8 out of those 10 games. We have drawn once, that was against Chelsea, and we have lost one, which was against Arsenal, where I felt personally that he was played in the wrong position in the midfield diamond. But yeah, हर बार जब भी फ्रेड सेंटर ऑफ मिडफील्ड में खेलता है, I am filled with confidence. I think the team is filled with confidence and the results show for it. And I felt Lindelof, even though he only played 45 minutes, was very, very good. And special mention to Rashford because the right-hand side पे he did a really good job. What were your picks, Nikhil?
एग्जैक्टली पहले दो तो सेम ही है, ब्रूनो और फ्रेड. एक मुझे तुझे जस्ट क्वेश्चन पूछना है, वुड यू कॉल ब्रूनो, नाउ दैट वी हैव सीन हिम फॉर लाइक 10 months now, maybe 10 months, would you call him world class?
Absolutely world class.
Yeah, I feel so as well. What we have seen, he carries the team like Ronaldo or someone used to, like, और वो लेवल पे दिखता है.
मुझे सिर्फ and maybe this is a topic for a separate video itself, but I see Bruno playing more of the Wayne Rooney role. He plays more as a second striker, which is not a bad thing. There are two types of number 10. एक number 10 जो रहता है, who is a midfielder who contributes to the attack, and then there is a number 10 which is almost like a second striker who can track back in midfield if needed. And because Bruno has been playing that second striker role, that is, I think, one reason why we have to have two sort of two midfielders in the holding pivot in a 4-2-3-1. If he can also master that role of playing a number 10 in a three-man midfield and not necessarily in a front four, we'll get to see the real magic.
Yeah. And again, yeah, I think we should do a video on that. But yeah, coming to my third player, I would choose Cavani. थोड़ा disputable रहेगा. I know assist goal कुछ नहीं था, but I was really like desperate to see a proper number 9 playing for us. And वो जो link up play कर रहा था, he was dropping in deep, focal point जैसे भी act कर रहा था, whenever we wanted to get the ball forward, वो effort दिख रहा था, like वो जो energy डाल रहा था, I feel उसका commitment phenomenal था. Obviously there are a lot of options, as you said, Rashford, Van de Beek को भी मैं choose करूँगा when it came to attack. But yeah, Bruno, Fred, Cavani. So any closing thoughts, Saurabh?
I think much needed 3 points gets us to the top of the Champions League table, अपना group table, 1 point away from sealing the qualification. Very important win, convincing victory, but dominated the opposition. ये starting lineup, I think, with 3 strikers and a number 10, I think this is something that we can take against some of the smaller or the weaker teams. जो which may not be the case against Southampton. Southampton are
Right.
in very very good form. I think we might need two solid Fred McTominay type midfielders in the 4-2-3-1. We need to be much better defensively. Thoda, it's not going to be a goal fest like today, and we'll need to be slightly more conservative in the next game. But if we can get 3 points against Southampton, I think this will turn into a mini run of form that we can build on to.
Right. Completely agree. So yeah, that's it from us, guys. I hope you do like the content. थोड़ा हमारा views बढ़ा दो. हम लोग बहुत desperate हो रहे हैं फिलहाल. So yeah, please do like, share and subscribe. और हमें बताओ तुम्हें क्या पसंद आ रहा है या फिर क्या पसंद नहीं आ रहा है, so that we can try to alter or change and bring in new content for you guys.
Yeah.
Yep. So that's it from us. Thank you. Bye.